Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we're going to be taking a look at some pretty bob haircut ideas. So if you've been dreaming of cutting your hair into a bob, this video is definitely for you. Loving this variation here with the ash blonde color. And then we have this beautiful asymmetrical bob cuts, followed by this bob showcasing the money piece highlight trend. She's got some beautiful highlights to frame out her face. Gorgeous color work here. And then we have another classic old money style bob. Very chic and polished. And then we move into another beautiful volumized bob. This one features a chocolate brown color. And then we have an old money style bob yet again with the blonde coloring. Her bob is also going to be very full and volumized. We got a sneak peek look at it. So pretty, so much bounce, gorgeous. And then here we have a layered bob with bangs. Her hair also looks very volumized and modern. Followed by another shoulder length bob with the curtain bangs. Another beautiful bob with the curtain bangs. Now she does have naturally curly hair, so she can wear her natural wavy curly pattern too with that bob style. Here we have a mini bob. This one is very retro, definitely giving us that like 20s feel. Followed by another gorgeous bob with the bangs. And then here we have someone styling their bob. So this is kind of like a nice shaggy bob cut here. Very modern and chic. And then we have a beautiful blunt bob. Comes to around shoulder length, just above the shoulders. And then we have someone else styling their bob, so she's doing another volumized bob. So let us know in the comments below which bob from today's video is your favorite. Now here we have someone who is getting a bit of a cut refresh. Her hair is on the thinner side. Stylist is going in and adding some color. Oh, she got the money piece highlight trend, but with a very subtle variation. I love this. That pop of bright blonde to frame out her bob. Very cute. Love how she has the red nails too. So here we have our next bob hairstyle. She's got some texture going here for this one. So she can do a lot of wash and goes here, just kind of showcasing her wavy texture. So here we have someone with hair around mid-back length. Stylist is of course cutting the hair into a bob, adding in some color, and bam! I love how subtle the color is. So pretty. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these gorgeous bob haircut ideas that you can rock out this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.